Indians living in the United States of America has celebrated Independence Day with great pride, joy and fervor. We will cut across live to the 33rd India Day Parade in New York. But first up, of course, here's how Chicago has celebrated the nation's 67th Independence Day.
Celebrating India's 66th anniversary celebration.
The tricolour dotting the streets of New York.
You are watching the world's largest India Day parade out of India, and since last 30 years we're doing that.
With the Indian diaspora cheering the 67th Indian Independence Day Parade organised by the Federation of Indian Association.
Ladies and gentlemen, Harry Malhotra live from New York City. India Day parade happening. You can see the energy right here. The dhol, the mridang.
Bollywood diva Vidya Balan was the Grand Marshal at the Indian Independence Day Parade in New York.
Feels wonderful seeing so many fellow Indians on the streets, and it's a big honor for me to be the Grand Marshal at this year's India Day Parade.
Social activist Anna Hazare also participated in the parade, voicing his support to this year's motto of March for Lasting Peace.
ये प्रोग्राम को जो मना रहे हैं अपने मातृभूमि के लिए जो प्यार की बातें हैं वो पूरी अमेरिका में नहीं भारत में भी वो प्यार फैला रहे हैं वो मुझे बहुत महत्वपूर्ण लगता है.
Theme, as I said, March for Lasting Peace, and you can see that how many people from diverse community they are going to march together on Madison Avenue today together on our Independence Day.
Tamil film star Sharath Kumar and his wife Radhika were parade marshals. And former Army General V.K. Singh was the chief guest this year.
The way they are waving the flags, the way the spirit is, I think it really makes you feel proud.
It shows how patriotic the Indians are living outside the country, and they feel for the country.
When you come so many miles across, and then you see so many people here today celebrating this big event, it's really such an awesome feeling, and words fail you.
But these exquisite floats depicting the Indian culture and the heritage were special attractions, starting from the Madison Avenue, covering 11 blocks and bringing colourful spirit of India on the streets of the United States of America.
Indians have been part of the growth, fueling the growth both in India and US. I mean, it's great to see Indians doing well across the world. So we are happy.
I am very delighted to be able to do this. I feel very much a part of India.
For every Indian living away from home, this was a moment to celebrate their identity and connect with their motherland. Bureau Report, Times Now.